We were floating for days. We were flying the way that doves do. And I loved you. Yeah, we were invincible. That's what they said. So indivisible wherever we went. You were my Hindenburg lover, we were flying away. Then we took a wrong turn and it was all up in flames. And now I'm staring at the wreckage, trying to make it okay. Oh, yeah.